the brothers and sisters of drivers in this fight. We love to see it. They're definitely more dangerous drivers, I'm just going to put that out there. But that doesn't mean they can be worse drivers. Here we go, your final fight of the day, everybody!
Let's keep this fighting in the family.
Good here.
Who's going to Terabyte the ground game to start with? Barrog going to Terabyte wants his revenge after that final.
Definitely revenge, isn't it?
Who's having another gander in the corner there? Courtesy of Agamemnon, he's got...
Oh, lovely there! Ah, very nice. This is a dynamic final fight. Oh, yeah!
Agamemnon with the ball pit, courtesy of Terabyte. He's gone for Barrog again. Barrog doesn't want to end up back to ball pit again. It's okay. Agamemnon is covering. Goose is having a little sleep on the right hand side. It's painful because Terabyte is going to cut the Goose, wakes him up in the morning. Goose in the morning, we'll find out. Barrog getting Terabyte in a very precarious position there in the pit. Okay, recovered. The Goose is sleeping again. Goose is sad. That's very sad. Barrog and Terabyte. Another couple of Terabyte in Barrog. Very, very close to the pit there. Very near. Oh,
very nice.
Almost. Is that a ball pit entrance or is it not?
Can it escape? Agamemnon's gonna help, I like that. But no, there you go. I think that's your final fight, everybody! Too soon?
Don't speak too soon.
Oh, plot twist! It wasn't a plot twist. That was the plot twist. It's complicated like that. There we go. Yeah.
Always update your Facebook.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Get in the pit, everybody. Go on, get in there.
Oh, get in the pit.
Get in the pit. Show some respect. Yeah. That's it. That's what we're talking about. That's the conclusion.
That's what we came to see.
That's the end of the river fight, everybody, for now. For now. However, we're doing some little